guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a full face of nothing new. So I haven't done one of these for quite a while, I think, on my channel. So it's basically a makeup tutorial sharing products that I've used in the past, nothing new, products that I love and that I use regularly. So yeah, today is a full face of drugstore nothing new. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so first of all, I'm using the Barry M Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water. And then I'm going in with a primer as well. So this is the Max Factor Miracle Prep Pore Minimizing and Mattifying Primer using my Real Techniques stippling brush. Now for foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation. Mine is in the shade 0.5N Porcelain. I think this is the lightest one that they do, I think. And I'm going in with my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Foundation brush. So I actually really love this foundation for this time of year. During winter, this time of year, I get very dry skin. So I need a foundation which is quite hydrating, soft and gentle on my skin, and this foundation is just that. It's really good for my skin. It actually claims to improve your skin quality in 2 weeks. I haven't actually used it for 2 weeks straight to see that myself, but I do know that once I use this foundation, my skin automatically feels better anyway. So it's a really good foundation if you are looking for a new one at the moment. So yeah, this is 0.5N Porcelain. Okay, then for concealer, I am using the Colourpop concealers. So I'm going to be mixing the No Filter concealers by Colourpop, and I've got the shades Fair 05 and Light Neutral 15. And then I'm blending that in with my Real Techniques contour brush. And then to set my face, I'm using my Natural Collection Pressed Powder Matte, and it's in the shade Neutral. And to set my eye area first, I'm using my Morphe G35 Brush. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm using my Morphe E2 Brush. Okay, now for contouring, I'm using the NYX HD Blush in the shade Taupe. And I'm going to be using my Use by C27 brush. And then for bronzer, I'm using the Milani Silky Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade Sunlight, using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Powder Brush. Now for blush, I'm using the Milani Blush Powder Blusher in the shade Romantic Rose, and I'm using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Blush Brush. Then for highlighter, I'm using the Wet n Wild Colour Icon Bronzer. It's really a highlighter in the shade Reserve Your Cabana. This is what it looks like. And then I'm using my Sigma Tapered Highlighter Brush F35. Okay, now for my eyes. Okay, so for my eyes today, I'm using the Sleek Eye Divine palette, and it's in the shade A New Day. Now I haven't used this for a while, but I really love this eyeshadow palette. I've used it on my channel before. It has really amazing shades and it's super affordable. So those are the shades. So on my Morphe R37 brush, I'm just going to go in with this shade here through the crease. So then I'm going to take this dark brown shade here on the end, and I'm going to use my Morphe M412 brush to pop that on the outer corners. I'm just going to blend that some more using my original brush. Then I'm going to take those same colours on my lower lash line using my Morphe E18 brush. And then I'm going in with this sparkly shade here using my little finger, and I'm going to pop it all over my lid. Now I'm going to go in with some eyebrow gel. So this is the NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel. Then I'm going to set my face before finishing off my eyes. So this is the NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. Now I'm going in with some eyeliner. So this is the NYX Slide On Glide On eyeliner in the shade Brown Perfection. And now I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers, and then I'm going in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Very Black Mascara. Okay, so finally lipstick. So I'm using a Rimmel London lipstick, and it's the Lasting Finish by Kate lipstick in the shade 42. And so that completes my makeup tutorial. This was my full face of Nothing New. These are all products that I use regularly. I love them. They're old products, they're nothing new, but they are really good quality products, and they're all drugstore. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!